Hello my friend, I'm back. So today we wanna make a shrimp cocktail, okay? So I got I canned mixed vegetables, jalapeños, and black olives, 2 radish, and a cucumber, a half of the cilantro, and I wanna use a half the onions and 3 limes, okay? And the shrimp, I got a small bag. The shrimp is peeling already, okay? You can use any kind of shrimp, it's usually, but the ocean is the best. You can have the fresh shrimp, but I'm using frozen because in here is no ocean. You have to boil it, okay? And cut it in pieces and a half or whatever you want to do. Whatever you like it, that way you like it. I do it, cut it. And I got some pepper and salt, and I got V8 juice, and I put the whole thing, and I put like a cup the Clamato, mix it. It's give you a good flavor, okay? So they start chopping the vegetables. Okay, my friends, now we want to start cutting the onions, and with that I cutting my vegetables right now. I got my shrimp boiling right now, okay? So you have to cut everything for putting in the shrimp. Okay, done with the vegetables. As soon as my shrimp is ready for cut it, I mix the rest of the stuff. Okay, I'm back. The shrimp is boiled already, and I decided to put another bag because the other one it was too not enough. Okay, so now we have to cut it and cut the jalapeno and do the limes. You can cut it whatever you. I cut it in 3 pieces. It's a 1, 2, 2, just like this. I want to do a quickie. This is my favorite stuff. Okay, the shrimp is done. Put it in the bowl, and we want to do the jalapeno real quick. Okay, get a bunch, whatever you want. Like I say, I like spicy stuff. Only a little bit because it's like that. Now you can put the black olives. I already rinsed it. The mixed vegetables, I already rinsed it too. Okay, and don't forget save a couple for putting in the glass when you serve the. Oh, okay, and a little bit juice. The jalapeno, and we want to do the best other vegetables I cut already, the onions, cucumber, radish, and I want to do the lime pretty soon. A pinch black pepper, a pinch salt, wash my hands. Okay, now we want to do the limes. Put in one of these. Okay, done with this. Now we want to do the juice. We get a spoon. Just mix it. Okay, put the V8. So spicy. Spicy stuff. Just put it in. Done. Mix it. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, good stuff. Buena. With beer, croquettes. Okay. This one I want to put only a little bit, like maybe a cup. This only for the flavor. It's like that. Okay. It's like this. Yummy.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte.